Ezhong品牌始创于1958年。Ezhong是一家企业，是一个故事，更是一段传奇。Ezhong历经60余年的风雨沉浮和不断的发展壮大，已经成为了中国最大的卷板机、校频机研发制造领域的头部企业之一。公司拥有专业化、知识化、年轻化的员工队伍，以及技术实力雄厚的研发团队。公司先后取得了国家高新技术企业以及湖北省专精特新小巨人企业。公司出口阿联酋蓝培公司的200×4500毫米特大风电卷板机，取得了多项国家专利，经湖北省技术交易所评定，该机整体达到了国际领先水平。Ezhong曾经制造过世界上最大的120毫米校频机以及压下力8000吨卷板机。Ezhong永远是你值得信赖的合作伙伴。
Good day to you all. Welcome to Ezhong Factory. My name is Doris. This is our Ezhong Group production presentation. Nowadays, there are hundreds of manufacturers of wind towers, tanks, seals, pressures, and other companies around the world. So nearly all these companies need to produce or source cylinder cans and certification to finance their products. So our Ezhong plate rolling machine be popular around the world. This machine is a variable center distance fully hydraulic 3-row plate rolling machine. It can roll Q235 steel plates and thickness up to 120 mm and 3,200 mm wide. This machine has superior performance and easy operation. It can preventing and rolling at one time without turning around. This model is different with the traditional model. The 3 work rollers material are 14-2 chrome. The 2 work rollers can move horizontally independently. The distance can adjust according to client requests, so it's preventing operation very easily. The left and the right and middle frames are the structure parts of the machine. The structure parts have been integrated earlier to eliminate stress and process in one time by high precision machine tools. Tipping device is very convenient to extract the cylinder. When tipping over, our roller is very easy to press by the balance device. This is our hydraulic system. Hydraulic components such as pumps, valves, seals, motors, and so on are imported high-quality products to ensure the stability of our hydraulic system. Our control system be made by German Siemens PLC. The numerical control system of our machine has the functions of calculation, control, modification, alarm, storage, and so on. So it has the long service life and low failure rate characteristics. So we have arrived at the end of product presentation. We really hope you can find it useful. We thank you very much for your time. If you would like to know more about Ezhong products and the solution and how we can help you grow your business, please don't hesitate to contact Ezhong directly.